Maltodextrin is basically a chain of glucose molecules that are easily broken down in our gastrointestinal tract. This means that when we eat maltodextrin, it's actually almost the same as having glucose in terms of how effective they are in terms of our performance. On the other hand, comparison between glucose and fructose is a bit more complex. These two monosaccharides have the same molecular formulae, which means that they have exactly the same number of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. But the structure is different. So, for example, fructose cannot be utilized by muscle tissue. So, fructose, once being absorbed into the bloodstream, it needs to be converted to glucose to be able to be utilized during exercise. The other thing is that fructose uses different transporters from the intestine into the bloodstream. So when we are having loads of carbohydrates during exercise, we are having more than 60 grams of carbohydrates per hour, we actually have to add some more fructose because the intestinal transport for glucose is limited at 60 grams per hour. So by adding fructose, we can actually increase the absorption rate because fructose uses a different transporter, and this in turn means that we can get more sugar into the body and the carbohydrate availability is higher. At the same time, this also means that we prevent gastrointestinal discomfort because we can actually prevent building up of glucose in the intestine.